Alright guys, I welcome you back. This is Crypto One. As you all know, if you are a new subscriber, I welcome you. If you are old subscriber, I thank you for supporting me on this channel. So let's get straight to the point. On this channel, I do make a research on how you can benefit in the crypto space. So I have something important for you because this is what I've been doing for over a year and I've been seeing some results in what I'm doing. So I want to share you because this 2026 guys locked in, we guys make something for ourselves, we guys help others. So that's my wish this year, and I wish everybody a happy new year, and I wish you the best this year in life, in everything you wish. So I wish your prayer will be answered. So let's get to the video. So these are 10 essential things you need to know about trading because this is what I've been doing for over past 10 years. So I sort all this out for you to know what you want to get into if you want to start trading this 2025. So trading involves buying and selling financial markets. So if they say trading, a trader is a person that buy and sells. So if you can be a trader in real life, you can be a trader online. So if you see they ask you what are you, so you say you're a trader, so that means you're buying and selling something. So you see you are trading financial market, which is you are buying and selling financial instruments, which is like stock, forex, commodity, profit from price movement, often short time period. So the second thing you have to know the market, learn about different markets, stock, forex, commodity, because it's like you have to know what you want to do before you can do it. If you want to become a footballer, you have to know some important thing in football, the referee, the foul side. You have to know about football before you can start playing football. That's how crypto also is. So master technical and fundamental analysis. So you have to mark technical analysis uses chart and indicators to predict market movement. Technical analysis is when you predict with technique, like your own technique, your own thing on the chart. So a chart is like when how price move, what does it do here and there. So when you analyze the market, that's technical analysis. And fundamental analysis is when evaluate economic indicator, company earning and news to assess value. So when you use the news given to analyze the market, so risk management is crucial because use tools like stop loss and take profit in order to limit losses and locking gains. So this is when number 4 is very important because risk management is best in the game, and you have to be good at risk management if you want to last long in forex trading or any trading, anything, stock market trading, commodity trading, indices trading. So anything trading, you have to be good at risk management. Never risk more than a small percentage of 1 to 2 of your capital on a single trade. This is very important. So leverage can amplify gain and losses. So leverage allows you to control large position while with less capital, but it increases significant uses cautiously. So if leverage is something like you have $100, you can control capital of $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. Why? You can also be at advantage and disadvantage. So if you can control capital of 5,000, so you should be ready to lose something of 3,000, 2,000, 5,000, and you should be ready to gain as well because there's lose and gain in this game. If you are ready to lose, so be ready to make more money for yourself. So control your emotion. Fear and greed can lead to impulse decision. Develop a disciplined mindset and stick to your trading plan. So start with the demo account. I don't advise that, but it's essential if you don't have capital and if you are fear you don't have mind to start with real capital. But I don't advise demo because it will mess up your mind. So having trading plan, define your entries and exit route, risk tolerance and goals. A clear plan help avoid emotional decision. Stay informed and keep learning. Market evolve. Stay updated on economic news market trend, and trading tries you to adapt and improvement. Understand the cost. Be aware of spread. So spread are the charges the company you are trading with gives you. It's like if you want to buy if you want to buy maybe table water, there are different company doing table water. So this table water, you may want to buy some table water, they may be selling it at the rate of $10, some may be selling it at the rate of 11, some may be selling it at 10.5. So that's the price. But let's assuming I'm a wholesaler, so or I'm a wholesaler selling to retailers. So I want to sell to retailers at $10. So if I sell to retailers at $10, I can't buy it from retailers at $10. So I may be buying it at the rate of $9. Or if I'm a wholesaler, if I want to buy the bag from the company itself, I may be buying it at the rate of $9 or $8. And if I want to sell it, I'm selling it for $10. That is the wholesaler's job. That is the spread. The difference between the buying price and the selling price is spread, and the commission is maybe the commission you are given. If you do something, if I'm trading with market and with the company, if I'm doing some business with the company, if I do this amount of goods, like if I sell maybe 100, you may give me some commission. If I do this, they may give me some commission. That's what commission is. Normal English, normal thing. Everybody knows. So overnight fees is normal English. If you hold trade overnight, they charge you. So taxes, we all know taxes. It applies to trainers as well. So if you, I hope you've gained one or two in this video I made. So let me just go to the chat to show you how this really works. Back to chat. So this example of what I'm saying. So from this place to this place, if you analyze and predict that market is going to go from this place to this place, so you make money. If you analyze that market is going to go from this place to this place, you also make money. From this place to this place, you make money. So it's like you analyze trading, you analyze market, and you make money. So if you want me to do some technical analysis on the chart for you guys, just drop it in the comment section. So I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, Crypto Bond. Share it to your friends and family for them to also know how to make money in trading and what they need to know about trading. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.